Yeah, what's up?
Hey, what's up?
Yes.
Good morning.
My Sayak is next to me and she's busy making makeup. Could you imagine? And check this out. What's the weather is today? Oh my god, it's as rainy as I'm afraid this will be the flood in some places in Bali. We will make a vlog today anyway, even if it's rainy. However, first we have to have a meeting for 3 hours.
Yes, so I will have online meeting and video conference for 3 hours actually.
Yeah, I will edit video for that time, so it's okay. We'll show you how is the raining in Denpasar and Sanur. We're heading to Sanur and it's quite really big, heavy rain. Right?
Yeah.
I still remember the look on your face, how you smiled the first time I met you. But when I look at you now, there's no trace. I guess it's all been erased. You tell me that it's over, that we just hurt each other, but we don't have to end up this way.
Alright, we just arrived to Sanur. Winnie is already in the restaurant. I think she's in Sala, which is next to Casablanca, just next door. I just wanna make a few snaps in Sanur. It's already no rain, but it's big heavy rain in Denpasar and probably in Ubud, strongly believe, heavy rain. Swiss Bear Resort in Sanur is closed till until January 2021. Used to be previously until October, but they changed it into January. Yeah, and that's how it looks like. It was also rainy over here. Yeah, let's see where is Winnie.
We're underwater, way off the shoreline. I try to reach you, but you're drifting away. We're underwater, but there's still time left. If we want it, we can breathe again, breathe again. That you're feeling this way. I've long known that you're bothered by something. I don't believe that you're right when you say that we're better off this way.
You prepared already for the meeting, yeah?
Yes, so I will have a meeting for 3 hours actually.
You stress?
No, I will just have my coffee first. I'm still sleepy, but I will wake up soon. They have very nice coffee.
Guess it's true as my mother did say, you can't trust a soul that's been shattered. All those moments we shared face to face, was it all just a game you played? You tell me that it's over, that we just hurt each other, but we don't have to end up this way.
Aku mau kan senyum dagangnya baru di videoin. This guy is so funny in warung kecil, I love it. Terus apa namanya itu pindang ya?
Udah.
Ya, dah itu aja.
Dibalanin.
Yuk, dah itu aja.
Ada lagi? Smacznego, honey.
Makasih. Ito yan. Enak.
Alright, so we are just after the lunch in Warung Kecil. I didn't record it much because I was so hungry. I'm so sorry. But we make a few snaps, right?
And then now I decided actually to have gelato.
Gelato from Mr. Massimo in
Yeah.
Sanur. Actually, we never make a vlog at eating gelato, so will be now.
Went for a walk with the stars last night. Did not believe that I would end up right. Lucky endings were not something for me. I drove around all across the land, thought that I was caught in
di warung kecil. So we decided to have a gelato in Massimo. It looks so yummy. So I order extra milky, that one, the chocolate one, and then the chocolate chip. Oh, look at this. How good. How good. Hi, honey.
Hi, sayang.
What flavor do you have?
Italian sherry and chocolate.
So
Yeah, that's my favorite one.
Alright, so after we had ice cream and we decided went back home and then have a nap. Just half hour.
You had a nap.
I've got sugar rush, too much eating sugar actually. So I was a little bit sleepy. And then yeah, we decided to go to Kuta tonight. Yeah, now
a little bit in the beach walk.
Yeah.
And we'll see how is the beach walk in Kuta by night.
yeah, we will show you the life in Kuta at night.
Yeah.
So this is Kuta Square actually. Yeah. Some shops open, some shops are closed actually. So nowadays whenever you go to beach walk, you have to do this one. Check-in one. So you have to put your phone number.
Oh, baby, don't cry. Don't cry. 'Cause there's always a tomorrow. Yeah. Oh, if I could fly, ooh, I would be with you every second of my life. Sometimes it's just another day to get through, but it's not easy when you're blind from the truth. Oh, darling, let me be your mountain, 'cause I see it as my goal. Wanna be with you every second I got. Don't cry. Oh, baby, don't cry. Oh, I wanna be with you every second of my life. I know your world is hollow. Yeah. 'Cause I can see it in your eyes. Oh, yeah. But there is no need for sorrow, 'cause I will be with you every second of my life. Sometimes it's just another day to get through, but it's not easy when you're blind from the truth.
Alright, so we are in the...
Yeah, so now we are in beach walk and this is the situation in weekend time. As you see, so many people, they are enjoying their life, they are happy hanging out with their family, their friends, their boyfriend, their girlfriends. Yeah, as you hear also many people enjoying the life then.
Yeah, and we'll show you guys around a little bit more, and we'll have a dinner I think in the beach walk. One nice restaurant have a nice promotion, but meanwhile, yeah, we'll walk around.
Oh, darling, let me be your mountain, 'cause it is my goal. Oh, I wanna be with you every gonna make it alright. Ooh, yeah, yeah. Even if you're down under the ocean floor, yeah, I'm gonna make it alright. Ooh, baby, don't cry. Don't cry.
This is the brand new food court in Beach Walk, by the way.
But tomorrow, yeah. Oh, and if I could fly, yeah, I would be with you every second of my life.
Over here is actually the food court. Like in every big city, you can find the food court in Asian countries like Singapore, Malaysia. However, this one is very clean, very nice, and of course very touristic one. So the prices will be not really street food, something like that.
And also, if you compare that the mall last time that when we visit Bali collection was so empty, but
Yeah.
here in Beach Walk, you see the comparison. Here is so many people, like
Yeah.
normal life.
That's actually quite surprising, but I'm happy to see that.
Johnny boy, put your hat back on. Now you're out there on your own. Johnny boy, you got a one-way ticket to ride, going south to find a home. Yeah, where hummingbirds are flying in the sky, dreams are coming true. A magic place where you can count the stars. Just lay down in the middle of the night, look up to the sky. Tennessee skyline. Johnny boy, you got your boots back on, kicking dust in a new direction. Johnny boy, you built a house of love.
This is our dinner actually, and to be honest, me myself, I'm not a big fan of eating in the mall, but because they have a special promo for today, 50% off. Why not? I'll try. So we order spaghetti carbonara with the pork. Okay, I don't know. My mouth is already watering. I will eat now. Smacznego. Alright, so we just had our dinner actually, and I'm full.
Me also.
So we just need to have a little bit walk in Kuta actually.
So we will
and
walk
behind me over there, this is a poppies lane. So the famous poppies lane actually. But now we didn't go to the poppies because maybe Damian already went there for many times. But
Yeah.
now we will go to the Hard Rock area. Let's see if there is a music concert though or not. We will see because today is weekend. And as you see that is quite busy, much more busier than before. And then if we compare with other tourist destination, Kuta is more busier.
Oh, definitely it's much more busier than Bali collection with in Nusa Dua, right?
Yeah. I saw also, you know, when we park our car, I saw from the registration plate. So
So
there
many,
are so many cars that, you know, coming from other side, you know, outside of
Indonesia.
Bali actually, like Java, Plat B, D, or somewhere else. Yeah, this is good that domestic tourists coming. Yeah, but yeah, what should I say? Kuta is Kuta.
Kuta is Kuta, and definitely, even if it's quiet, it's still some life over here. But no lights, so dark.
Upon the hills of Tennessee, yeah, where hummingbirds are flying in the sky, dreams are coming true. A magic place where you can count the stars. Just lay down in the middle of the night, look up to the sky. This is where we want to.
Alright, so well actually that we were in front of Hard Rock Cafe over there before, and we saw that there are so many bikers, and yeah, we decided maybe we will not watch music there in the Hard Rock Cafe.
Yeah, because
Yeah.
the Kawasaki group. By
Yeah.
the way, many people in Bali have lots of money, guys. Yeah, I'm just thinking about everybody talking as Bali people are poor. But that was about 100 Kawasaki bikes. That's very expensive bikes. All right, but that doesn't matter.
Okay, yeah, so we will.
We will try to make a closing today.
That's Kuta Nightlife.
Yeah. However, I think that will be enough. We're planning to go to
The center stage.
center
actually.
stage. However, over there is the like a rock music. Of course, copyright. I cannot talk there because I will have a problem in YouTube. However, we will make a few shots after that or before that. Doesn't really matter. For now will be that's it.
Yeah,
I hope
that's it
so
for
you
today.
enjoyed today's vlog.
So you guys already follow us start from in the morning where I was, you know, when we were working and then having lunch in Sanur and then eating gelato. Thank you so much. This is how our daily life in Bali life.
Yeah.
So yeah, thank you for watching, guys.
And don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, very important. I hope so we can reach 10,000 subscribers before Christmas. Probably not, however, it's good to big dream. Dreams without goals, that's just the dreams. So, see you tomorrow, guys. Take care. See ya.
Bye.
This is the place for you and me.
Let's go
Yeah,
back.
this is where we wanna be. In Tennessee, in Tennessee, in Tennessee, yeah. Where hummingbirds are flying in the sky. Dreams are coming true. A magic place where you can count the stars. Just lay down in the middle.
Alright, so are we in the open stage in Hard Rock?
Center stage. It's not open stage. Yeah. So we are in the center stage.
Doesn't
in Hard Rock
matter.
Hotel actually. Well, in the morning the center stage is used as a lobby. Yeah, hotel lobby actually. But at night it is used as
A
what
rock
is it?
stage.
Rock stage.
And this
We
is
will
live
see later on
band.
live bar, and people the singers will sing on the stage.
It's a very cool place. If you ever been in Kuta, in Hard Rock, you know, if somebody never been in Hard Rock Hotel, it's at least once in the life you should go, even just to the bar, to listen music because it's super cool experience.
Yang nggak hafal. Sini bawah sini. Seperti diriku yang